Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. Topic: Small Japanese Garden. Transform your outdoor space into a haven of tranquility with a small Japanese garden. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the key elements and practical tips for designing a serene and enchanting Japanese-inspired oasis. Whether you have a tiny backyard, a rooftop, or a balcony, discover how to infuse the essence of Japanese garden design into your space. Embrace minimalism. Japanese gardens are renowned for their minimalist aesthetic. Embrace simplicity by focusing on clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a restrained color palette. Incorporate elements like gravel, rocks, and carefully selected plants to create a sense of harmony and balance. Choose authentic materials. Select authentic materials such as natural stone, bamboo, and cedar wood to evoke the timeless charm of traditional Japanese gardens. These materials not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to the overall authenticity of your garden design. Incorporate water features. Water is a central element in Japanese garden design, symbolizing purity, tranquility, and life force. Integrate water features such as a small pond, a cascading waterfall, or a simple stone fountain to create a sense of serenity and movement within your garden. Create focal points. Establish focal points within your garden to draw the eye and create visual interest. This could be a meticulously pruned bonsai tree, a decorative lantern, or a carefully placed rock arrangement. Focal points add depth and personality to your garden design. Cultivate Zen plants. Carefully select plants that are characteristic of traditional Japanese gardens, such as bonsai trees, Japanese maples, bamboo, and moss. These plants not only thrive in a Japanese garden environment but also contribute to the overall sense of tranquility and zen. Pay attention to pathways. Design meandering pathways that invite exploration and contemplation. Use stepping stones, gravel paths, or wooden walkways to guide visitors through your garden while allowing them to experience its beauty at their own pace. Embrace seasonal changes. Celebrate the beauty of each season by incorporating plants and elements that change throughout the year. Cherry blossoms in spring, lush greenery in summer, fiery maples in autumn, and delicate snowscapes in winter, all contribute to the ever-changing tapestry of your Japanese garden. Practice pruning and maintenance. Integrate symbolism. Infuse your small Japanese garden with symbolic elements that reflect traditional Japanese beliefs and values. For example, use lanterns to symbolize enlightenment, bridges to represent the journey to spiritual enlightenment, and stones arranged in groups of 3 to symbolize heaven, earth, and humanity. Incorporating these symbolic elements adds depth and meaning to your garden design. Create restful seating areas. Provide quiet spots within your garden where visitors can pause, reflect, and immerse themselves in the serene atmosphere. Incorporate comfortable seating options such as stone benches, wooden stools, or meditation cushions strategically placed to offer breathtaking views of your garden's beauty. Utilize space efficiently. Maximize the use of your limited space by employing vertical gardening techniques and compact plant arrangements. Install trellises for climbing plants, utilize hanging baskets, and create multi-tiered planters to add layers of greenery and texture without encroaching on precious ground space. Harmonize with surroundings. Ensure that your small Japanese garden harmonizes seamlessly with its surroundings, whether it's nestled in an urban setting or surrounded by natural landscapes. Incorporate elements that complement the existing environment while still maintaining the distinctive aesthetic of a Japanese garden. Seek inspiration. Draw inspiration from traditional Japanese gardens, contemporary interpretations, and your own creativity to design a unique and personal space. Explore Japanese garden design principles, study renowned gardens like Kyoto's Ryoan-ji or Tokyo's Shinjuku Gyoen, and adapt their concepts to suit the scale and style of your small garden. Engage the senses. Design your small Japanese garden to engage all the senses, creating a multidimensional sensory experience. Incorporate elements like wind chimes for auditory stimulation, aromatic plants for olfactory delight, and tactile materials like smooth stones and rough bark to engage the sense of touch. Foster tranquility. Above all, strive to create a sense of tranquility and serenity in your small Japanese garden. Utilize elements like gentle water features, rustling bamboo, and dappled sunlight to evoke a feeling of calm and relaxation, allowing visitors to escape the stresses of modern life and find peace within your garden oasis. Embrace wabi-sabi. Incorporate the concept of wabi-sabi into your small Japanese garden design. Wabi-sabi celebrates imperfection, impermanence, and the beauty of natural patina. Introduce weathered stone lanterns, aged wooden elements, and moss-covered surfaces to imbue your garden with a sense of rustic charm and understated elegance. Foster biodiversity. Promote biodiversity within your small Japanese garden by creating habitats for local wildlife. Integrate native plants, provide shelter with shrubs and trees, and incorporate water sources such as bird baths or small ponds to attract birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects. A thriving ecosystem adds vitality and balance to your garden environment. Incorporate seasonal accents. Enhance the seasonal appeal of your small Japanese garden by adding seasonal accents and decorations. Hang wind chimes in spring, display lanterns during summer evenings, incorporate decorative ornaments in autumn hues, and adorn trees with subtle lighting for a magical winter ambience. These seasonal touches infuse your garden with ever-changing charm and allure. Emphasize contrast. Create visual interest and drama in your small Japanese garden by emphasizing contrast in textures, colors, and forms. Pair smooth river stones with rough-hewn boulders, juxtapose delicate ferns with bold foliage plants, and combine shades of green with pops of vibrant color to create dynamic compositions that captivate the eye. Invite reflection. Design your small Japanese garden as a space for introspection and contemplation. Integrate reflective surfaces such as still ponds, polished stone basins, or mirrored ornaments to invite moments of quiet reflection and self-discovery. These reflective elements enhance the sense of tranquility and foster a deeper connection with nature and oneself. Personalize with meaningful elements. Infuse your small Japanese garden with personal touches and meaningful elements that reflect your own interests, passions, and memories. Incorporate heirloom plants, handmade ornaments, or symbolic artifacts that hold significance to you, creating a space that feels uniquely yours and evokes a sense of nostalgia and belonging. Emphasize flow and movement. Introduce elements that enhance the sense of flow and movement within your small Japanese garden. Incorporate gently winding pathways, cascading water features, and gracefully swaying ornamental grasses to create a dynamic and fluid experience for visitors. Encourage exploration and discovery as guests meander through your garden, following its natural rhythms and patterns. Embrace mindfulness. Design your small Japanese garden as a space for mindfulness and meditation. Create designated areas for quiet reflection, yoga practice, or meditation, providing comfortable seating, soft cushions, or Zen-inspired meditation platforms. Encourage visitors to immerse themselves fully in the present moment, connecting with the sights, sounds, and sensations of the garden environment. Integrate lighting for ambience. Extend the enjoyment of your small Japanese garden into the evening hours by incorporating subtle lighting elements that enhance its ambience and allure. Install low-voltage LED lights to illuminate pathways, highlight focal points, and accentuate water features, creating a magical atmosphere reminiscent of traditional Japanese lantern-lit gardens. Consider feng shui principles. Incorporate principles of feng shui into your small Japanese garden design to promote harmony, balance, and positive energy flow. Position elements such as rocks, plants, and water features according to feng shui principles, ensuring a harmonious arrangement that supports health, happiness, and prosperity. Embrace sustainability. Design your small Japanese garden with sustainability in mind, utilizing eco-friendly practices and materials that minimize environmental impact. Implement water-saving techniques such as rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, and drought-tolerant plantings to conserve water resources. Choose locally sourced, organic materials whenever possible, and prioritize native plant species to support local ecosystems and biodiversity. Seek professional guidance. Consider seeking guidance from landscape designers, horticulturists, or Japanese garden specialists to assist with the planning and implementation of your small Japanese garden. Professional expertise can help you navigate design challenges, select appropriate plant species, and create a cohesive vision that brings your garden dreams to life with precision and authenticity.